this beautiful feature that Instagram has that nobody talks about, and I don't understand why, is it's amazing because it allows you to search from that one person. And I'm just going to pull up Dr. Lulu because we talked about her before and she's familiar because we talked about her. So this is the suggested for you feature in a nutshell.
Oh, okay.
This little person with the plus, you click on that, and what Instagram does is it says, okay, cool, Ginger, you like Dr. Lulu, you like the type of information that she shares. Well, under this suggested here, I'm going to give you other accounts that share the same type of information. Now, they're not all going to be winners. They're not all going to be perfect, but it will help you get further and deeper into it's what I call a rabbit hole. You get deeper and deeper into this market research. So that's
I was gonna say, I've seen that when I've followed people, it comes up, but then sometimes it disappears before I have a chance to fully explore it, and I get all mad. I'm like, I know, I'm glad you showed me how to bring it back. That's really helpful.
Yeah, and it's the same thing on your phone. It's just a little person with the plus, and it's amazing. That it is one of my favorite features on Instagram because you can look for days and days and days.
Yeah. Okay.
Even when you go to look for your prospects, if you have like somebody that signs up for your program and they are the perfect prospect and you're like, man, I wish I had 100 of these in my program, go to their account on Instagram and go to their suggested for you, and it brings up other people that share the same type of information, that like the same type of posts, basically are in the same communities. So it is such a beneficial feature.